in season 4, episode 3 of Golf Cart Confessions, and I have a special guest, so let's jump right into it. What's up, Sam?
How's it going?
How you doing this morning?
I'm doing good. It's a little cold, but I'm good.
It's cold this morning, isn't it?
It wakes you right up, better than coffee.
It does.
The cold's just brisk on your face.
Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year to you.
We're at about 3 weeks in. It's January 15th. What would you, VidMonster CEO, like to confess to today on Golf Cart Confessions?
All right, here's my confession. So, and it's got a little bit of a story with it. We shoot a lot of weddings.
You shoot a lot of what?
A lot of weddings.
Where people get married.
Where people get married. We shoot a lot of weddings. We went to a wedding, and usually there's one wedding per venue. You see where this is going. For an hour, we filmed the wrong wedding.
What?
Now, we were still on time for the other wedding. We were an hour early. But for a solid hour, we called the bride the wrong name. Finally figured out it was the wrong person, gave them their footage. Everything was completely fine, and we found the right wedding. But it was probably one of the most embarrassing experiences in the past 3 years of VidMonster that's ever happened. And it's the only one time it's ever happened, but this is supposed to be a juicy confession.
Hey, that's pretty good. I went to film a wedding.
Mm-hmm.
We were early for the wedding.
Mm-hmm.
And we started filming the wrong wedding.
Yep. And then when the other wedding showed up, they were like, hey, glad you're here.
Awesome. Called the wrong name and everything, the bride.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. How about that? They'll probably use that for their blooper reel.
Right. So it's cool with weddings. You get the opportunity to plug into a family for a day, and the video comes out looking pristine and magical and perfect. But there are a lot of human moments in there.
Yeah.
So we try and include some of those as well.
Well,
Blooper
that
reels
was
and things like that.
Those were really human moments, weren't they?
Oh, they were. They were.
So, what do you do for a living, Mr. VidMonster CEO? Wait a minute, I just gave it away.
You just gave it away. So, I'm a video producer.
Okay.
Full time, got employees. We are fully invested in Bowling Green and in storytelling, creating commercials, documentaries, training, recruitment, corporate content, all of that. We're custom fit every single project. So each project has a specific concept, a specific plan, specific staff and contractors you work with. So it's kind of first of its kind having your own custom video per project setup. So that's what I do.
Awesome.
24 hours a day, 7 days a week, pretty much.
You're a pretty young man, aren't you?
I am.
You've been doing video all your life, ever since you were like a young lad.
Right. We used to make them like this. We used to just have it was right when, cell phone cameras started to get decent. We were just making fun videos just for the internet. We wanted to be YouTube stars. Everybody wanted to be a YouTube star back in the day, and over time it just evolved and kept changing until eventually we're like, hey, we're adults now, we need to make money.
So let's go back. Okay. Way back. Back into time.
Okay.
Can you share with us where they can go see some of your early videos?
If you get on our YouTube channel, if you get on youtube.com/VidMonster, there's an appropriate selection of early videos that we've kept on the channel. You can go to the videos tab and go all the way down, and you'll find some stuff of some epic Nerf gun battles.
Awesome. So
we were 13. We were 13.
13 years old.
Yeah.
These guys were 13 years old doing video. They have tons of experience.
Oh yeah. It's really weird to go into meetings and I'm 23 now, and to go into meetings and present these things and then get how old are you? I'd be like, oh, I'm 23, but I've been doing this for 10 years. So it's an interesting mix.
Awesome. So go to VidMonster or youtube.com/VidMonster. Check out some of the early videos. Check out some of the recent videos. Now, Sam, you guys have a Facebook page too, right?
We do. Same thing, facebook.com/VidMonster.
Go like their page. Go check out some of their product. And, if you're looking for a videographer, if you're looking for some folks to do some special kind of video for you, where should they go?
They should go to vidmonsterproductions.com.
Absolutely. vidmonsterproductions.com.
Or
That's
in
it.
person. We have an office.
You do?
Yeah, we do.
Hey, they have an office. Where's your office at?
719 Chestnut Street, downtown Bowling Green.
Good deal. Do you guys do Instagram?
We do as well. We're on there as just VidMonster.
Good deal.
We're on every platform.
Every platform.
You know how important that is. You're all over the place.
Hey, I tell you what, social media is important.
It is.
Isn't it?
It really, really is.
Good deal. Well, make sure you go check these guys out on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. I think Sam said all the platforms.
Except for MySpace. We're not on MySpace.
Well, they're not on MySpace, guys. So if you're
Neither
still
is
on
anyone else.
MySpace, I don't know that there are very many people still on MySpace.
No. So you want to go where the people are.
Go where the people are. Awesome. Well, I appreciate you joining me today, Sam.
Thanks for having me, Kenny.
Thank you, sir. So, that was season 4, episode 3. Who will we interview next?